The currency market began trading sideways amid the completely empty macroeconomic calendar. At the same time, the market has ignored an important announcement about higher taxes made by the White House. However, it's still unknown what taxes will be increased and how big this rise could be. Moreover, the US authorities are planning to switch to higher taxes only in the next financial year. Thus, Joe Biden's administration may change its plan until September. That's why investors do not jump to conclusions. However, higher taxes will have a negative influence on the US dollar. This is a new midterm factor that may weigh on the greenback. The pressure is likely to take place for several months. At the same time, market participants are waiting for the central bank's meetings that will take place this week. Of course, the FOMC meeting is the most important event of this trading week. However, before the publication of the meeting results, the US will report on its retail sales and industrial production. The data will be disclosed tomorrow. Until that time, the market is likely to remain stagnant. The euro-dollar pair found a support level at 1.1910. Last Friday, the pair stopped at this level and then bounced by 50 pips. Notably, the pair is still sliding from the peak of the midterm trend. Sellers still have a chance for a further decline. Analyzing the current chart, we can see that the volume of short positions has risen. Sellers may open positions below 1.1900 on the 4-hour chart. If the pair slows down, it may begin hovering between 1.1910 and 1950. The pound-dollar pair slid from the psychological level of 1.4000 to 1.3860. After that, the pair got stuck and bounced. The psychological level is still putting pressure on market participants. This may affect the volume of short positions. On the trading chart, we can see that sellers are trying to revive the downward movement. However, at the moment, it looks like a sideways movement. Traders are likely to open short positions if the price fixes below 1.3862. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.